Ready? Start. We are told that dispute is only in respect to property number 5, which has led to filing of two suits. Stop. Appellants did not insist on division of this property by metes and bounds and agreed that respondents shall pay value of share of appellants and thereafter, appellants shall forego their claim. Stop. It is pursuant thereto value of house was worked out and the same was acted upon after making payment of three installments by respondents. Stop. Appellants also acted upon by handing over possession to respondents. Stop. This document has been relied by both the parties in defense. Also. Stop. It does not recognize any new right of parties, but the parties have their own existing rights and it is only declaration of such rights as also exchange of rights in one or other way. Stop. We are of the view that registration of this document was not necessary in respect to property number 5. Stop. In any case, under section 49, even an unregistered document was admissible for collateral purpose, particularly when both sides relied on the said document in support of their case as well as in defense of their case to rely on as what was consented between parties. Stop. Hence, court below has rightly decreed suit dash 1 filed by respondents and dismissed suit dash 2 filed by appellants. Stop. Para. Now coming to issue number 6, we are of the view that trial court, while considering interest, ought not to have moderated upon rate of interest by directing respondents to pay only 10% simple interest on remaining amount of fourth installment. Stop. Instead, rate of interest as provided by mediator ought to have been adhered to. Stop. Mediator has directed for payment of interest in the case of fourth installment at the rate of 15% per annum. Stop. Meaning thereby it was compound interest in respect to last installment of rupees 1.08 lakhs. Stop. In respect to other installments, it only says that interest shall be 15% per annum. Stop. It has not been stated specifically that it shall be payable annually. Stop. Hence, in respect to earlier three installments, the rate of interest was only 15% per annum as simple interest and that has actually been paid by the respondents. Stop. In respect to last installment, that is second installment of rupees 1.08 lakh, interest is payable at the rate of 15% per annum. Stop. Words quoted payable annually unquoted, particularly in reference to interest, means that interest is calculable annually and it renders the rate of interest to be calculated on compound basis for the reason that interest, if payable annually, will be computed every year and if not paid, it shall be treated as unpaid amount and entitled to earn interest further. Stop. The mention of words quoted payable annually unquoted only with respect to fourth installment, that is second installment of rupees 1.08 lakhs, and non-mention of these words in respect to earlier installments make it clear that interest herein is different than what it was payable in respect of earlier installments. Stop.